Well, indeed. It's Friday. You did it. You made it through another week. Heartfelt congratulations is all yours. Just surviving is a bonus. I mean, sure, you may not want to survive. You may wish it ended somewhere in the week, but hey ho, you're here. After, 3 days of desperately struggling, clinging on to the they've lost their grip, I'm afraid. The market's down, but not by a monstrous amount. Bitcoin's down about 1% at 19,994. Ethereum down 1% at 1355. Still crucially above that 1300. BNB is down 4% at 284. That's no surprise after BNB had to shut down for quite a significant time and suffered losses of over 100 million in a bridge attack. Yeah, not good. They have managed to freeze about 7 million of that, but yeah, just have to wait and see how that unfolds, I guess, as they announce more information. In slightly more bullish news for Binance, they've announced plans to auto-convert any stablecoin balance on there to BUSD. It's caused the market cap for BUSD to raise significantly and all others to drop. So shows you the power Binance currently wields in the market. Whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, I guess that's down to you. It's certainly no worse than the governments, who continue to batter us with their attempts to get a hold of inflation. The truth of the matter is, they announced that this is the beginning of the battle of inflation. It's going to get 1,000 times worse before it gets better, and I think that's really what caused the markets to finally break that 20,000. But still, Fed will continue to raise the interest rates, which will continue to batter us. It is just what it is. Saudi Arabia are slowing production of petrol, which is going to push the prices of petrol up. Interestingly, they're dropping the price in Europe at the same time as raising it in the States. I'm sure that will cheer you Americans up. H&T dropped 7%, and that's just a correction from the 7% it gained 2 days ago. H&T's an oddity. It seems to jump up and then jump back down again continuously. More positive news is Casper that we spoke about yesterday. It's gained yet another 10% over the last 24 hours. So they are really racking it up. Good on them. I still think that's got quite a way to go. In Europe, MPs have decided to endorse crypto theft. Theft in the form of taxation. Because heavens forbid anybody ever makes a penny without them being able to steal a consistent amount of it. Thieving pieces of shit. Polkadot continues to see great levels of development. There's been tons going on with Polkadot, but it's just not reflecting in their price at all. However, this is exactly what you want to see in projects. Doing lots of development in these times, that means that when things switch and we start to come out of this shitty winter, that it's the projects that have done so much development over the bad times that will really excel when it comes to the next bull run. So Polkadot is definitely one that you should be investing in. The other big news over the last 24 hours was Visa's partnership with FTX. They plan to offer crypto debit cards in over 40 countries. That's very good news for FTX. It brings them much more in line with what the other big boys are offering at the moment, so that's good. Hey, I'm not sure what the perks are going to be on that. currently I still do utilise CRO's card and their perks. I think that's very good, but I've also signed up for Plutus, and we will investigate what the Plutus card perks, etc., are like. I'm sad to say Plutus only seems to trade on, Qcoin and minimum places else. But despite low trading volumes, they seem to be sold out on their cards. It's taken them over 6 months to get this card out to me. It's not here yet, but I'm told it's coming something after the 10th. So that's at least some news. Oddly, you can't do anything in the app. You download the app and you set yourself up and you order the card, and then you're just locked out of it. You would think they would be offering other products and giving you the option to use those other products while you're waiting for the card to come, or maybe even offer a virtual card, seeing as most things are done online these days whilst you're waiting for your actual card to come. It all seems a little odd to me, but I'll give it a fair shot and a full review. Other than that, look, it's the weekend. Fuck off, get drunk. I'm gonna get drunk now. I am an alcoholic. It's sad, I know. I don't advise any of you to follow my route, but endless depression and wanting to be dead, it does do that to you, doesn't it? No? Yeah, it's only alcohol. Yeah. Right, fuck off. I'll do a few clips and clops of jokes over the weekend to keep people occupied. Yeah, subscribe. It all helps. I might try something different next week. I don't think anyone really wants to watch the news. No. Anyway, give me a shout back. Let me know what you think. If there's any other type of video you want to watch instead, let me know. I'll do them instead. Yeah.
All things crypto by a duck life. See you next time.